What's up, guys? So yeah, we're doing a large home. Let me turn this around. Large home, white carpet, dogs. So we're doing a full pet treatment, and heavily soiled. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the Green Rhino cocktail, and also put a little booster in there too, and get the maximum results out of this thing. They're probably gonna change these carpets, the people who buy it anyway, but try to get it looking as good as possible. The other rooms are not so bad, right? Not so bad at all. Brenda's vacuuming right now. We're also going to be doing sectional, but they're actually only one, the arms and the frames and around the area done. So we're only going to do that, and we adjusted it. She changed it up when we got here, and that's fine. So it's a big job. I just charged her for that, and a couple of these chairs. So nice property right here. It's over $2 million selling this. It's on 17 acres. She said that was here when she moved in, but it looks like organic urine stuff to me. So I'm not sure why previous carpet cleaners didn't get it out, but we'll see if we can do any better. And bathroom, walk-in closet. All right, a lot of wanding work for me. Brenda's gonna help me out the first part of the job, some vacuuming and stuff, and then she's gonna take off and go to another job. And yeah, so let's go. All right, so let's see if I can get some lights. So for this, let's go ahead and treat it with organic and right now. So by the time I get to it, it's gonna have maximum dwell time. There's a little bit of ink there. I'll get that ink remover out while we're cleaning this. She noticed some organic staining, spills and stuff like that, so she's treating it with the 6% peroxide. So we're gonna knock this upholstery out first, and then go ahead on to the carpet. All right, so much better. This one was filthy. There are a few spots in there that we're not gonna even attempt to take out, because if you do, you're probably gonna damage the fibers. Leave it there. Let the customer know, and this one, turned out great. Off to the carpet. Already went through here and pre-scrubbed everything, so if our chemistry's good, everything should just rinse right out nice and smooth. Looks like it's gonna rinse out pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and use 2 hands. Looks good except for that spot. It looks like a bleach spot. Can't get it. All right, since the customer is not here, left the check and everything, paid up, so I'm not doing any specialty stain removal stuff, and that's just ink or stuff like that. But as far as artificial coloring, I'm not. But what I do is the post spray on it, and this stuff's supposed to work over time, so it could disappear by tomorrow without having to steam it. So I always do this and hope for the best. I noticed some red right there. So we'll just let that sit. That right there is organic, so if it doesn't come out with the initial treatment, do the same thing. It will some spray and walk away type of deal. All right, last bedroom. Hallway. Now I already did this whole area. Now I'm just gonna walk my way out of here. Clean my way out of this little section out the door. So not perfect, guys, but it's not gonna be perfect. This carpet was heavily damaged. And again, they're gonna have to replace at least this room, but every other room came good except for that one big spot. And it looks like a bleaching spot. Somebody used probably a product from underneath the sink, all-purpose cleaner to clean up some stuff. That's why it was there when she moved in, so wasn't be able to remove from the past cleaners either. So I don't feel so bad. All right, yeah, I'm gonna clean my way out of here. All right, packing it up. I'll put the ticket at the end of the video. By the way, I've been asked many times what app I'm using, and it's House Call Pro. That's what I use it. I use it to do everything. Book the appointment. It automatically reminds my customers the day before when I'm on my way. You can do all these settings on it. You can get your price list on there, so when you're giving quotes, it's easy to give quotes. You can even do online booking with it now. So you can have your customers say you want to put it on your website or your Google My Business, and they can book right through House Call Pro, and you don't even have to do anything. You just get a notification. Plus, the only thing I was down on this app for years is it didn't have mass text. So like when business slow at the end of the year, I'd put a mass text out, say, hey, you guys ready for some cleaning? I do that every year. But what I do is implement another app. But now I'll be able to do this on side of House Call Pro soon. They haven't rolled it out yet, but he said it's being rolled out soon. So that's good. So anyway, affiliate link, yeah, they're giving me an affiliate link now. That's cool. I say, I've sent you guys many customers already for free. So now letting me make a little money off of it. So I'm gonna talk about it a little bit more, guys, but it's not talking about it about the money, because if you know me, if I don't like it, I'm not talking about it. But I don't make a lot of money off this YouTube thing, so anything helps, right? So anyway, use that link if you can get it, and you get the first two months half off when you use that link. So yeah, Green Rhino. So anyway, that's it, guys. I wish I could have got it looking brand new for them, but it's just not possible sometimes. See you in the next one.